Hello, my friends. My name's Margie Aliprandi. When it comes to Tony and Sarah Zolecki, they are absolutely in a class of their own. I remember the first time I saw Sarah at an event and I thought, oh my gosh, who is that woman? She had so much presence. And then I saw she and Tony together on stage and I remember thinking, oh my gosh, they are a force. And I thought to myself, if I ever had the chance to work with them, it would be an absolute dream come true. So that dream did come true for me. And I guess my message for you is if you ever get a chance to work with them in any capacity, jump at that chance. I've been able to work side by side with them really in the trenches. So I've seen how they navigate absolutely everything and they are world class. 3 words come to mind when I think of the Zoleckis. I think of excellence because whether they're speaking on a stage to tens of thousands of people or whether they're in a mastermind situation or mentoring somebody one-on-one, they are excellent. And their commitment to personal excellence will always keep them on the cutting edge. The next word is commitment. These people, when they tell you, when Sarah and Tony tell you they're going to do something, it is as good as done. And they always go above and beyond. And the last word is heart. They care so much. They show up big, they show up strong, and they give their full heart. Whether, once again, it's in that team building situation, speaking from stage, or whether it's the heart that they pour into their dear friends and family. I mean, like they are second to none. I love them heart and soul. If you ever get a chance to work with them, jump at that opportunity.